today, making some really good trades as per usual. Let's dive into some analysis today. Bitcoin actually came back down today, retested the dip buy area. We're starting to see a bit of reaction already. We're kind of holding right at the entry level here at 101. So we're seeing some support here. We want to see some indicators signal that bottom is forming and that this trend is going to break back up. And again, this is where we're going to find out. Is this a 1-2, which right now doesn't look like it. I mean, some people, you could look at the smaller time frames. You could force the count, right? You can make some sort of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with a 1, 2, and this is a 3 or another 1, 2. So there's a lot of possible scenarios because Elliott wave is very subjective to your analysis. So right now, this is how I see it. Someone else could do this, a 1, 2, and we're still inside of the 3. And what's happening right now is we're forming another 1, 2. So the price could still come up to 104, 108, and get rejected again. And that's when we'll know, right? Basically around this area, I think, if Bitcoin is set to go lower or not. Or, maybe it takes a direct path and continues to extend lower. So there's lots of guessing, and I don't know this. But what you have to do is just take a look at the levels, right? And trade off the levels. And right now, we're inside of a level. So we'll see if this is going to fail or if we're going to actually react higher, go higher, and then, get a big short squeeze in Bitcoin. Maybe the markets make another high. And again, so many people, I cannot begin to tell you. It's always the same story. The market's top this time. And again, the last 40, 60 times I was wrong, but maybe this time I'm going to be right. And, if you follow me, I'm going to catch the market crash, but all this stuff. So we don't really try to do that. We try to stick with the trend, do what the markets are doing right now. The stock market could be putting in top just like that, right? Or what if it's just another 1, 2, and you extend further and you go to like 7,000, right? What happens if the S&P gets to 7,000, another 300-point rally? What are you gonna do then, right? What are you gonna do then? You're gonna hold your shorts for another 300-point move? Are you? Right? Bitcoin could come back up and still make a new all-time high if it and then come crashing down again and just chop. It's in a range. So there's a lot of people trying to guess what's going to happen in Bitcoin, but they really don't know better than the next person. Right now, on Wave Edge, you have a buy signal on the 12-hour time frame. I was actually just surfing through to see some of the signals. Last one we got here on this big dip ended up giving us a nice rally of 10%, right? Basically a $10,000 rally in Bitcoin. And you could easily get the same thing again, right? You could easily get another rally back up to 116, 120 even, Obviously, we'll aim for the closer targets first, like 106, 108. If we get a strong rejection there, basically retesting, another range, right? I'm pretty sure this is some sort of range here. We'll get back on the charts on Bitcoin. Yeah, so it's like we'd be retesting like the highs of this range, and I've seen other people draw the range differently. Some people are saying this is the range, right? And really we're getting rejected, which you could make the case because we did get rejected here, but it doesn't really matter, right? You want to stick with the trend. The major trend is still bullish. I'm seeing lots of people getting very bearish right now, and they're ready to call the top and they throw everything out the window. The bull runs over. You better get out while you can. And I really don't really care about that. We just follow the charts. Right now, Market Cipher, let's take a look at it. So Market Cipher, momentum waves are obviously open to the downside. You're not seeing that much red money flow. It does look like it's starting, right? So we want to be careful here. 4-hour time frame, you're deep in that red money flow. 12-hour, I think we already printed that green dot, and now we're trying to make a decision. Are we going to get any sort of reaction from here? Or are we going to just fail right away and just drop? Weekly cycle is still bearish. The monthly cycle also printing a green dot, printing its first bearish 18-5 dual band strength index candle in a very long time. And we haven't seen that, in a while. And so much for seasonality and up November and all this stuff. It doesn't seem like it's happening, right? Uh, yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't have any other signals to share with you guys. Obviously, everything I do and post is inside the Discord. I'm gonna start introducing some new stuff on YouTube. For some reason, YouTube deleted my YouTube channel and gave it back, so I'm gonna try and maybe do some new stuff to get maybe the viewership back up, the subscribers back up. But right now, I'm looking at maybe introducing some member videos on YouTube. Do some in the morning and at night, evening. Basically, what I do in the Discord, but offer just to, I guess, to people who want to watch it on YouTube. Maybe some Friday recaps for altcoins, stuff like that, and maybe some YouTube shorts. So we'll see. So I definitely appreciate the support. Everyone's been great, and I'll catch you guys on the next update, which is gonna be tomorrow. All right, peace.